Are you also using AI generated content and still your website is not ranking on Google? As digital marketers, we have to address a very important issue, and that is, does AI content actually work for SEO? Well, the answer is yes, it does, and Google accepts the use of AI generated content as long as it's done ethically. Google will not punish or banish your website for having AI generated content. Now, a lot of people debate about what is actually the truth. Well, here is what Google has to say about AI generated content. Google actually focuses on the quality of content rather than how it is being produced. However, there's a downside to it as well. There are several reasons why AI generated content can fall short. Number 1, information might be inaccurate. Number 2, content lacks human emotion, and number 3, content lacks originality. To know more such information, follow ECT.